Yo, fellas, sing the song for the one you love.
Yep. It's again. Your boy Chef One is back again. And today, I know it's breakfast, but it's too early. People are sleeping, but we still have to make you your special breakfast. So we're going to be making Chef One special breakfast with my own twist.
Chef One's Kitchen!
Chicken, I love you so much. Chicken, let me get a little touch. Chicken, you taste so good. Chicken, I eat it in the hot say chicken, I love you so much. Chicken, let me get a little touch. Chicken, you taste so good. I eat you every day, even
Yep, so with our own twist. And you can see in front of my chef, read it. Just do you. And that's exactly what I'll be doing. And also we'll go straight into the ingredients. So our French toast, we'll go right to the ingredients. As you can see, this is our Texas French toast. When you say Texas French toast, see how thick the bread is? That's what you need. You can use any form of bread, but some bread are very thin sliced, which can cook easily, but I rather prefer the Texas French toast. Now I have our eggs. You can use the cotton eggs, the one that's already beat, but I want to use the fresh eggs. You see, fresh eggs. You have your maple syrup, but I'm using the pecan. As you can see, maple syrup is very good. You have your whipped cream. We have our butter. I can't believe it's butter. And then you have our milk. We need the milk for the egg. And then we have our mixed berries. We have strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, and raspberry. And then we have our secret sauce. This is just cranberries. Cranberries cooked with a teaspoon of sugar, salt, and honey. Just a little pinch. And then we have our banana. And then I have our sliced oranges. It's just for garnishing. You can do plate without garnish. It brings everything together. We have vanilla extract that gives the flavor to our French toast. I know people cook French toast and they just make it just plain. I want to make it so special for you so that as you eat, you can enjoy it. And then you have your powdered sugar. Powdered sugar? And then we need our pecan. We have our pecan and we have our pecan maple syrup. See? Two goes together. And our last but not least, chocolate chip. I know, yeah, you're kind of worried about what I'm saying, but wait till when this is done. I'm telling you, it's to die for. You're going to be licking your fingers. Going to be going, Yes, this is Chef One, and we're ready to go. So now, we're going to start with our fresh eggs. I'm going to crack 6 eggs.
Yo, fellas, sing the song for the one you love.
You don't need to be told off. Yes, sir. I'm Big Crown, baby. Yeah. This is a song for my beautiful girls in the world. You feel it? You don't need to be told, baby. Can you feel it?
I'm going to put a little bit vanilla extract in the eggs. It gives it more flavor and it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. And then open our milk. You can use any kind of milk you want, but I'm using the evaporated milk, which is good. And then just put a little bit, and that's the water you need, so you don't have to put too much. And then you whisk it. I don't have a whisk, but I'm using fork, so it's very good. We put our pan. It's very hot. Put it in medium height. Just a little pinch of butter. This is, I can't believe it's butter. This is the country. That's the best butter you can use. It's low in salt. So wait. Yes. So you have your French toast. Like normally what I do, you use a fork to poke a little holes in the bread. Yes, that is my trick for making French toast, so the eggs can soak it up. I know even though bread soaks a lot of eggs, but I like when you poke it up. It's easy. And then you just dip it in the butter. See? Easily. And then you let it soak it, and then you put it in the pan. And then you go back for one more. You can make it for your wife. You can make it for your husband.
You can make it for your kids. And you can make it for your grandpa.
Now it's time to flip our French toast. Now, as you can see, the golden brown right on top, that means that this part is done. Now we have to wait for the next part. Now our French toast, you see, come closer, you see how golden brown it is. That tells you the French toast is done. So you flip it around again. Oh, sorry, but hey. Now you see, also golden brown, and it's done. And then we take it out. Add it to our front. So as you can see, I can smell the eggs, the milk, the vanilla. So now we are about to plate. And this is how I do it. You can do it anyhow you want. Do it to your favorite. Don't worry. Right here, as you can see, just do you. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So let's dig in right now. So I'll just put French toast on my oh, it smells so good. I mean, now this is how I like it. I will just put banana on it. So now we're going to use our powdered sugar, just a little bit for design. And then just all over. And our big secret, you can forget whipped cream. Whipped cream. Oh, let me show you how it's done. Right there, it's open. Shake it up. And then just put as much whipped cream as you want. Yes. Who wouldn't like this breakfast? And then put the rest of the powdered sugar right on top again. This is so beautiful, but I want to garnish it with sliced orange. Right on the plate, you see? And I'll grab one more. Oh. Are you ready for this breakfast? I know someone is ready waiting for me upstairs. I don't know how you feel, but I'm ready to dig in. Come on, join me. Let's dig this breakfast up. Oh. Not even without my syrup, I just want to try it. And let me put, don't forget, roasted pecan syrup. Oh, I can't wait. Just a little bit. I don't like my syrup, but I'll put a little bit in my French toast. See how thick that is? So you don't put too much. Just a little bit. Oh. And now I'm ready to dig in. I hope you're ready to. I want to give a big shout out to all my fans. Whoever watched this video, go to the link, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Let's know what you think, and we need your comment to make more videos. It's your chef trying to do just do you. So I want to see you next time, and come and let's eat. I'm ready to eat. So I'm ready to eat. Come and let's enjoy. I'm sorry, people are sleeping, but I'm making too much noise. I'm just gonna slow down and I'm ready to eat. I'm waiting for you to come eat with me. So I'm gonna ride the game. Chef One, let me know how you think about this video. Okay? We need your comments. Back the scene.
Back.
That's it.
Chef One Kitchen.